Hey guys, this is Shauna. I have lost 40 pounds doing dirty, lazy keto. If you guys are loving all of my super easy recipes, please hit that heart button for me, follow, and comment easy. And I will invite you to my recipe group where I have literally thousands of recipes and keto resources. So I'm kind of a deviled egg snob. I wanted to share this recipe with you guys because it's super different. The egg mixture is very basic. It's just mayonnaise, mustard, relish, hot sauce, and garlic powder, and you're gonna mix that up really well, put it back into your eggs, and then top with some chopped up avocado, sprinkle with fresh bacon bits, and then something I never would have thought of, sprinkle some tahini chili lime seasoning all over the top of these. Oh my god, it just takes it to the next level. These are so addictive. I have to admit, I ate the entire tray.